Hello and welcome to this interesting class on UTME question. We'll be talking about the 27th question, and the 27th question is on matrix. Now, on this question, it says that if D is equal to this 3 by 3 matrix, so find the determinants of D. What are the steps? First of all, before you start solving this, make sure the rows, because this is the rows and why this is the column. Now, in the rows, you number them. You put a sign on them, plus, minus, and then plus. Take note of that. Don't forget. Before you start solving, you remember that. So, say the determinant of D will be equal to. Now, you pick the first number on the row. Say plus 2, which is same thing as 2. This 2 will multiply what? You cover the row that contain that 2, and then the column that contain that 2. What you're left with is 1 and 2, then minus 3 and 1. So open a bracket, say 1 times 2 minus 3 times 2. Sorry, 1 times 1. 1 times 1 minus 3 times 2. Right? The next one is minus. You write down the minus. Open bracket, this is minus 1. Then you bring down the minus 1. Multiply by what? Close the row in which the minus 1 is. And close, cover the column in which the minus 1 is. So what you are left is 4 times 1, and then 4 times 1 minus 1 times 2. So the next one is plus 3, right? This is plus 3. So write plus 3, open bracket. You cover the rows in which the 3 is, and cover the column in which the 3 is. So what you're left with is 4, 1 minus 3. 4, 1 and minus 3. So you write 4 times minus 3 minus 1 times 1. So this is it. From here, you expand. So the determinant of D will be equal to, bring down your 2 first. 1 times 1 is still 1. So open the bracket, write 1 minus 3 times 2. Minus 3 times 2 is minus 6, right? Minus 6. So minus times minus is plus. So you say plus 6. So you bring down minus times minus is what? It's plus. You say plus 1. Right? 4 times 1 is 4. Write down 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2, right? Yes, minus 2. And the next one is plus 3. Open a bracket. 4 times minus 3. 4 times minus 3 is minus 12. And minus 1 times 1 is 1. So you still expand further. Determinant of 2 is equal to 2 times 1 plus 6 is 7. Then plus 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. Plus 3 minus 12 minus 1 is minus 13. Is minus 13. These are on brackets for that. The determinant of D will be equal to 2 times 7. 2 times 7 is 14. Plus 1 times 2 is 2. And this minus times this plus will give us minus 3 times 13 is 36. 39 is 39. And 14 plus 2 is 16. 16 minus 39. The determinant of P will be equal to 16 minus 39. That will give us minus 23. So the answer is minus 23. As you can see that this question is actually very simple. So if you enjoy this class, and I believe you enjoy it, please like and follow for more. Thank you.
Subscribe for more of this kind of content. Thank you.